Antarctica is such a vast continent filled with ice that it has ice up to a depth of 5 kilometers. There is so much ice, spread over 15 million square kilometers, that Antarctica is much larger than America. Even during the summer months of June and July, the temperature in Antarctica remains between -°C to -80°C throughout the year. Because of this extreme cold, the chances of life here are very low. However, despite that, over 400 articles have been discovered across Antarctica that are hidden beneath the waves of ice. Once again, peace be upon the viewers in the videos from Antarctica. There is no time zone followed here, nor is it claimed by any country. Therefore, across all of Antarctica, there are only 2 ATM machines installed. Many people believe that beneath Antarctica's ice lie many hidden secrets. Some even claim that beneath this mysterious ice-covered continent exists an entirely different world where aliens rule. But research and efforts are being made tirelessly to uncover these mysterious hidden truths of the continent. Some incredible things have been discovered here that even science is astonished by. And today you will see some of these astonishing things found beneath Antarctica's ice. So let's begin. Number 8. In 2009, a discovery shocked researchers when a cat skeleton was found beneath Antarctica's ice. But the surprising part wasn't just that it was a cat skeleton, rather that this particular cat was not ordinary. It was an egg-laying feline. When this strange cat skeleton was examined in a research lab, it was found that this animal existed on Earth at least 25 million years ago. Number 7. In 2014, archaeologists found extremely astonishing human skulls in Antarctica. The first surprise was that these were the first human skulls found in Antarctica. The second surprise was their shape. Yes, these skulls look very different from normal ones, with heads extended far beyond the usual. Scholars believe that these shapes were due to strange practices from childhood, habits that were common in ancient Indian civilizations. Similar skulls have also been found in Egypt and Peru. This raises suspicion that thousands of years ago, people may have lived in Antarctica, possibly with some connection to ancient civilizations. Number 6. Over the past 50 years, more than 10,000 meteorites have been found in Antarctica. These meteorites are pieces of rocks that do not originate from Earth, but from other celestial bodies. Scientists believe that some of these meteorites are millions of years old. It is very difficult to determine which star or planet they came from. However, a small meteorite that fell in Antarctica in 2002 was discovered in 2015, and scientists believe it broke off from Mars because it contains mineral properties found on Mars. Number 5. Antarctica has an ice depth of 5 kilometers and is much larger than America, but according to some evidence, this place may have once been habitable. Yes. In 1986, geologists found dinosaur bones and plesiosaur skeletons here. One of these skeletons measured 36 feet, about the height of a triple-story building. Upon examination, it was found that these bones were at least 70 million years old. This suggests that Antarctica might have been habitable 70 million years ago and its mountains were once covered with soil, not deep ice. Number 4. We've all seen waterfalls, but in Antarctica, at the Taylor Glacier, there is a point where not water but blood falls. In 1911, a scientist named Taylor first discovered the site. For centuries, people believed that actual blood flowed from this glacier, but when modern science researched it, they found something even more surprising. They discovered a massive underground lake beneath this glacier. The unique thing about this water is that it is 3 times saltier than seawater, so it does not freeze. It also contains iron from the surrounding mountains. When this water comes into contact with the oxygen in the air, the iron oxidizes and turns red, which is why it looks like red-colored water. Number 3. In the water beneath the Blood Falls Glacier, researchers found something even more surprising. A total of 17 types of bacteria that can survive without oxygen or sunlight. Experts believe these bacteria are of a kind found only on planets where there is no trace of oxygen or sunlight. But how these bacteria ended up on Earth remains a mystery. Number 2. Although Antarctica is a continent full of ice, it may come as a surprise that the driest place on Earth is also in Antarctica. This dry region was discovered in the dry valleys of Antarctica, where it hasn't rained even once in the last 2 million years. The reason is the extremely strong winds in this region, which can reach speeds of 320 kilometers per hour. Experts believe that due to these fierce winds, all traces of water have completely evaporated. Additionally, this dry valley in Antarctica is very similar to the surface of Mars, which is why NASA tested its Viking rover here before sending it to Mars. And now, number 1. A team discovered an extremely terrifying creature's skeleton at a depth of 1,100 feet beneath Antarctica's ice. Many experiments were conducted to identify what animal it belonged to, but shockingly, its structure did not match any known species. This creature measured 8 feet in length and had bones extending out of its body. Even after years of research, scientists still haven't determined what kind of animal it was or how it ended up on Earth. We hope you will like and share this video as well. Thank you so much for your lovely comments. See you in the next amazing video on Discover TV.